Could the day ever come when machines surpass humans in every aspect of life? An intriguing question, isn't it? The journey of artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. It all began in the mid-20th century with the birth of the idea that machines could mimic the human mind. Fast forward to the 1950s when the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at the Dartmouth Conference. This marked the beginning of AI as a field of study. The 1960s and 70s saw the first wave of AI marked by enthusiasm and optimism. During this period, researchers developed the first AI programs, machines capable of playing checkers and solving word problems in algebra, significantly outperforming humans in some tasks. But the road to AI wasn't always smooth. The 1980s and 90s were marked by periods of disappointment, known as the AI winters. Funding and interest in AI research waned due to unmet expectations and technological limitations. The dawn of the 21st century marked the resurgence of AI, thanks to advancements in technology and data availability. Machine learning and deep learning techniques began to make headlines, driving significant progress in AI capabilities. The game of Go, once considered impossible for machines to master due to its complexity, was conquered by Google's AlphaGo in 2016, showcasing the true potential of AI. Today, AI permeates every aspect of our lives, from voice assistants in our homes to autonomous vehicles on our roads. But what does the future hold for AI? In the near future, AI will continue to advance and integrate more seamlessly into our daily lives. The next decade may see the rise of AI companions capable of understanding and responding to human emotions. AI will also play a crucial role in tackling global challenges, from climate change to healthcare. By the mid-century, we may witness the advent of super-intelligent AI, machines that surpass humans in every cognitive task. By this time, AI will not only be a tool, but a fully autonomous entity, capable of making its own decisions. But it's not all rosy. The future of AI also brings with it a host of ethical, societal, and security challenges. From job displacement due to automation, to potential misuse of AI in warfare, the road ahead is fraught with challenges that need careful navigation. In conclusion, the journey of AI has been a remarkable one. From its inception in the mid-20th century, to its potential to surpass human intelligence in the future. While the future of AI is exciting, it also presents significant challenges that need to be addressed. It is a journey of discovery, innovation, and responsibility that will shape the future of humanity. So, as we continue to forge ahead in this AI-driven world, it's crucial to keep these considerations in mind. The future of AI is not just about technological advancements, but also about how we, as a society, choose to embrace these changes. It's a story that is still being written, and we are all part of it.